Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can hide your date of birth on the Instagram because sometimes we do not want to show it on the Instagram. So in this video, I will show you how you can hide your date of birth very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Instagram and then you will see profile icon at the bottom right corner. Click on it, and then you will see three lines on top right. Click on it, and then you will see setting options. Click on it, and then you will see account options. Click on it, and then click on personal information, and here you can see your date of birth. Click on it, and then you can see date of birth, days, month and years. So if you want to hide days and month, click on. So select it according to you. If you want to that it will show to public, then click on public. If you want that no one can see your date of birth, then click on only me. Then if you want to hide your years of birth, then click on, and then select according to you. So in this way you can hide your date of birth on the Instagram. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.